In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on SXP future while talking about swipe cost conjecture for 2022 and then some, which is very huge. Kindly remember that you ought to explicitly think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, most certainly not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like swipe. Presently, we should head into it incredibly. Before we dive profound into the swipe value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that SXP is a wise venture or not, for what reason will SXP succeed or generally come up short, or for what reason will swipe value rise or drop, we should rapidly for the most part toss a look at what by and large is SXP and its to-date history in a significant manner. SXP value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world in a real sense is on an edge of an undeniable basically bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate expansions in every way that really matters, significant way. Financial backers generally are selling dangerous resources and moving into kind of additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous in a real sense play, and subsequently the auction in an all things considered, huge way. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the especially second piece of the year, really in spite of mainstream thinking. This in every way that really matters, is generally reflected in our 2022 expectations, which in every practical sense, is very critical. At the present time, Bitcoin certainly needs to truly find a nearby base before we can move in the sort of inverse heading and essentially alter the course in an extremely significant manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to sort of do likewise. We in a real sense have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the fundamentally next 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. We basically expect whales and truly other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each task, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative pretty potential, and a few for the most part other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab in a significant way. October 1, 2022. Plus 4.37%, $0.3661, or so they thought. October 2, 2022. Plus 0.48%, $0.3525, incredibly. October 3, 2022. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Plus 4.37%, $0.3661, which is genuinely critical. October 4, 2022. Minus 0.53%, $0.3490, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. October 5, 2022 in an unpretentious manner. Minus 2.61%, $0.3417, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. October 6, 2022 in a significant manner. Minus 2.36%, $0.3425. October 7, 2022 amazingly. Minus 0.44%, $0.3493 amazingly. October 8, 2022. Plus 2.27%, $0.3588. October 9, 2022 in a significant manner. Minus 3.38%, $0.3390. Swipe value expectation 2022, which is very huge. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be in a very significant manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 16.46% $0. 2931. 2022 November minus 29.23% $0. 2483. 2022 December minus 23.55% $0. 2682. 2023 January minus 13.82% $0. 3024. 2023 February, which essentially is genuinely huge. Minus 10.17% $0. 3151. 2023 Blemish. Minus 0.68% $0. 3484. 2023 April plus 13.06% $0. 3966. 2023 May in a by and large enormous manner. Plus 16.48% $0. 4086. 2023 June in an unpretentious manner. Plus 24.24% $0. 4359. 2023 July, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Plus 24.76% $0. 4377. 2023 August plus 42.86% $0. 5012. 2023 September, which especially is genuinely critical. Plus 48.50% $0.5210. SXP value expectation 2025, which generally is very huge. Our expectation model sees SXP coming to $0.8946 in 2025, in opposition to prevalent thinking. What will SXP, all things considered, be by and large worth in 5 years? The cost of SXP in 5 years could especially lie around $0.7971. Swipe coin value forecast 2030 to 2040, which truly is very huge. What Swipe will truly be really worth in 2030? Our Guajing model sees Swipe coming to $2.24 in 2030, or so they basically thought. What Swipe will commonly be worth in 2040 in an unpretentious manner? Our Guajing model sees Swipe coming to $4.47 in 2040, which is genuinely huge. Will Swipe essentially supplant, really outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Swipe won't in a real sense supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Swipe reach $10? Indeed, Swipe could in a real sense reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Could Swipe especially reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities